Hello, this is Sonu, and you are listening to Stock Market News on the Go. Here's what's cooking. First things first, the Indian benchmark equity indices Sensex and Nifty traded lower Wednesday afternoon, dragged by selling in IT and FMCG stocks. Weakness in index heavyweights such as Reliance Industries, ITC, and Bajaj Finance dragged Nifty below the 14,200 level. Nifty Metal was the outperformer, while private banks also traded in the green. NMDC hikes prices yet again, taking overall increase to 50% in last month. US futures fall as Democrats look set to take a control if Senate with a projected win in Georgia runoff elections. Indian market extends losses. Weakness in index heavyweights such as Reliance Industries, ITC, and Bajaj Finance drag Nifty below the 14,150 level. The barring Nifty Metal, all other sectoral indices were trading in the red. Tata Elxsi has advanced by as much as 26% over the last 10 days, outperforming the Indian IT index, which is up 13%. Crude oil hits 11-month high after Saudi Arabia pledges voluntary output cut. BEML share price jumps over 4% on orders from Ministry of Defense. Well, it's a wrap for me today. This is Sonu from Tradomatics signing off. Have a happy evening.